Hello, we're back with Pokemon cards.
I'm here too.
Today we have this new Stellar Crown blister pack. Like a blister on my foot after a long run.
Yep.
And we have two. We have Tinkaton and Latias. So
Yeah,
I'm gonna open the Latias one first, and then we'll do this one after.
hell yeah, dude.
Let's go. Okay, so I haven't opened these in a very long time, so yeah, I knew it's gonna. Oh, actually, okay. I thought it was just gonna be cardboard on the back. It always does. 3 packs of Stellar Crown, and here is the promo Latias card with the old school looking holographic pattern. Very nice. All right, here's our 3 packs. We have I don't like this Pokemon, Lapras, and this new dude. So
Looks like a parasite.
Who even is that?
we're gonna open up this one first.
Doggy.
Cinderace is definitely. I'm not a fan of the Gen 8 starters. I'm sorry if anyone likes Gen 8 starters.
I love Gen 8 starters.
I don't like them. So, first card here we got Lamiao, Pancham, Charjabug, Salandit, Papaya Berry, Supporter, Azumarill, Buffon is our first reverse. Our second reverse is Panseer, and Iron Boulder Hollow.
Oh no. Just kidding.
Iron Boulder. He's not. I don't really like what they did to Terrakion and Iron Boulder, and I dropped the code card. That's okay. Next pack with Parasite, as Scrappy calls him.
Yeah.
The Parasite. Throw that away. Flip it around. So this one we got Tortuga, Spathra, Lamiao, Pancham. Oh, not Riverroom.
No, dude.
Lapras, Mienshao,
You got Mienshao.
Comfy, Otaberry,
Oh.
and Grimmsnarl. Paul, it's you.
Oh, it's me.
It's Paul. It's Grimmsnarl.
No freaking way.
You're lucky. You're gonna pull the Lacey on this last pack.
I'm gonna put the
Lacey full art.
K2 card.
No, we got Lapras.
Lacey full art on this last pack.
Apparently that's what Carson wants me to get, is that card.
You're expensive.
That means
the
you got
most
an EX. You
expensive?
got
It is
the,
right now, yeah.
the white trading card.
They stopped doing that a while ago.
Secret rare.
Alright, we got Ladybug, Mienfoo, Flittle, Chinchou, Talonflame, Area 0 Under Depths, Crabominable, Pancham, Azumarill, and
Oh, you
Zeraora.
got poo.
So that was, out of that one, 0.
Honestly, 0 hits. That was poo.
0 hits.
Hey, Paul card was a hit.
Yeah, Paul was a hit, but we got another one, so hopefully out of this one, we get something
Better
better.
get an EX, bro, or something.
Okay, hopefully Tinkaton brings better luck, even though Latias is one of my favorite Pokemon. And Latias let me down. And this is what I expected. Oh my gosh. I hate these things. Oh, wait. Look. There's a little opening.
Oh my god.
Good luck.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to open. No, I'm gonna open on camera.
Wait.
This is authentic opening.
Friday the 13th.
Oh, that's unlucky.
That's why. Maybe we should open packs on Friday the 13th.
Or it's lucky. I was lucky today.
I'm getting rid of this cardboard. Get out of here.
Forget about it.
And our promo card.
Oh, beautiful.
Tinkaton holographic with the old school, the best holo. I don't know why they ever got rid of this holo pattern. Like they're throwing for getting rid of that.
Tapu Lele.
Tinkaton.
Buddy, what?
All right, and we got the exact same pack. So we're doing the Parasite first.
Nice. Friday the 13th luck is gonna bring us.
Friday the
nothing but failure.
13th
Like the
is
movie.
gonna bring me.
Nothing but failure.
Yeah.
Rolled Snobble
And when I open,
EX.
I'm gonna get no.
All right, Pancham, Charjabug, Salandit, Yamask, Pangoro, Celebi,
Ooh, nice.
Totodamaru,
Tinkaton.
Fletchinder,
Oh!
Raboot,
Oh!
Is that a V-Star?
El Creamy,
Yeah, it's a
normal
V-star,
hollow.
V-star creamy.
My bad.
And crackers.
Normal hollow, El Creamy. What did you say?
Oh, creamy.
Alright, now we got this stupid rabbit soccer player, Football. Football. Because he's British, because he's from the Gen 8 British.
Bit
Alright.
silly, innit?
Fanrotom,
No, that's a big
Lily.
card. Just leave that one.
Bombardier, Electabuzz, Frogadier, Pandoro, Celebi, Ledian, Lacey, and Greninja EX.
Oh,
So I got something. He has one move. That looks so weird.
Isn't that guy from Smash Bros?
He has one move. Shifting Shuriken, 100 plus. I don't know. I feel it's weird having an EX with one move. It just looks incomplete. But we did get an EX. Yeah, I'll leave him there. I'll leave him right there.
One more pack, and this is the Lacey pack.
What do you mean? I already got that card. See?
Oh, yeah, you're right. Sorry.
Who's lacing stuff with?
Me.
What? Alright, I gotta open this on camera so you know I'm not sneaking in freaking Charizard Secret Rare
Yes,
Gold Star
yes.
level X.
You really,
Isn't that base set, bro? Come on.
this is a reseal.
First edition Shadowless.
This one's resealed.
Alright.
Type of God pack.
This is a dot pack. This Chinchou's on the front.
True.
Tortuga, Miss Bathra,
What?
He's an uncommon, okay.
It is
Alright.
great.
Eternatus,
This is the God
Frogadier,
pack.
Glameow, Scorbunny,
Oh, big hit, big hit.
and
big hit.
Noctowl. So out of those, we got.
One hit.
1 W.
I mean, I just opened this for fun. I didn't really care what I got.
Yeah,
But
that was awesome.
honestly, I kind of just got it just for this card.
Nice.
So yeah, I'm okay with just getting Greninja.
There you go. All right, now it's my turn.
I mean, I'll trade you this if you guys. If you don't
I'll
like.
probably get this.
No, I'll trade you this Greninja. So yeah, we're gonna have another video of Scrappy. He's opening. Let me take this right here.
Dude.
We got the edgy box, the edgy Beats Nose
Flip it
box.
over, flip it over, flip it over.
Called Dark Powers EX. Look,
What's the Alpha Pod box? Wait, there's 2 double-sided?
yeah, and then Scrappy
Oh
hold
my
this,
gosh.
and then we got the big boy. Scrappy is using his money and Stellar Crown booster box. So we're gonna have the Edge Nose box and
Nice.
then the Stellar Crown booster box. Look out for those
Hell yeah,
videos.
bro.
Thumbs up.